Guys, guess what this video is?
Thank you, that motherfucker.
So in this video, I'm going to be rearranging my room. So I'm just going to be moving some furniture around. I've been wanting to move my furniture around ever since like quarantine started because, okay, actually, it's been a while. So I love the way my room turned out. Like, I love it so much. I want to kind of make it more simple. Here's my room right now. So this is what my room looks like. When you walk in, you see the bed, you see this wall that has like the moon mirror. It's always been there. And then I have a Polaroid wall with my YouTube plaque. And then I have my bed and all that. And then I do have a projector in my room. So that's the only thing that I never showed to you guys in my videos. But I put this like white sheet up. I bought a screen, but I didn't put it up yet because I don't know if I'm gonna put my bed on this side. So if I do change my room, I'm gonna put my projector up here, like the screen and stuff. And yeah, I'm thinking about doing that. And then my desk is just gonna go back to where it was, like right here, I think, because many of you guys didn't like it right there. I liked it, but I don't know. If you guys know me, then you guys know that I love changing stuff up. So it's not that I don't like it, it's just like I get bored of things easily. So like I said, like I'm in my room 24/7, so I'm to a point where I just like want to change things up. And I don't think I'm gonna be buying any like new furniture just because I'm not gonna waste more money on my room, and I'm the one that spends everything on my room. So everything that you see in my room was all bought for me. Before we started this video, I was literally taking stuff out of like under my bed. I had so much stuff, and it's just like socks and everything. It's like, how did I get there? But that's where my socks end up. I have so much cleaning to do. You guys don't understand. But yeah, I'm sorry to disappoint you guys. I feel like this is just not my, okay, it's 6 right now. So first things first, first thing I'm gonna do is take this carpet out so that I can move stuff around. Okay, guys, the next video on my channel, it's gonna be a cleaning my closet video because it's really not working out for me. Oh gosh, that's not good. Does anybody have like a weighted blanket? I love these so much. This is so heavy. I'm just gonna start like unplugging stuff, I guess, because
what do you think you're doing? Oh, don't put that in the video.
oh, feel them in your pants. They look so cool.
They're Minecraft. Minecraft.
Do you want to help me?
No. Oh my god, remember we all wanted tapestries behind our beds? Have fun with Mom.
Oh my gosh, you just hit the camera. My room is so disgusting. I haven't cleaned it in months.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I didn't my sock. When I'm from up, and I shoot that up. And I'm on the block. And I'm on.
If your environment is just gross and you feel gross, maybe that's why. Because I've been feeling gross. And it's because of all the dust in my room. Maybe I should have cleaned my room instead of moving it around, but I already started, so. This is embarrassing. Dude, the bed looks so much better right here. Ow.
$17.39. I'm like, hey, what's up, hello? Since your pretty eyes, don't know you came in.
Do you think this would look good right there?
In love with the money, I ain't never like. And like how, baby. Let the mother get fly, baby. And like it rock, baby.
How this one sounds?
Supposed to be doing this in the hallway. There's no space. I think I'm strong for this. I have spaghetti arms.
Ele fica preso no teto ou na parede. Vai rezar da sua mãe no filmagem também.
Alright, so now it's time to clean this mirror. This quote has been here for 2 years. I have never taken this off. This is kind of like weird.
Capping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weave an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the border. Got see cars out, got me big out for Ronald. Out bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage. And it's all family, they run up with the package. I just put a pack on the way to Bogota. Poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw. I'ma watch out, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we'll ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going to the middle G. Trapping like the narco. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Going up a pain while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose ring.
One more
Guys,
for you, New York. Departing a flight to New York. Private jet. Tomorrow is the pilot. Ja, ich nehme ja. Sorry, I'm fine.
Jakie będą łodzić bańki, że się...